My family and friends of mine, we decided that this case be treated in India. Firstly, we made the medical report from Burundian doctors to I think five hospitals from India. We made them on the mail address, and they send us the quotation. And when we see that the quotation from Merchant Hospital was the cheapest, and I decide to confirm them that I decide to be sent that my case will be treated in the hospital, and so the process for getting visa. I told them that I must have the visa invitation, and the visa was get under 7 days. And after I tell them my day of flight, and I go there at the airport international. The airport international of Delhi, there was some of the staff of Merchant waiting for me, and I recognized him because he was with the paper written my name, and he get me from the airport to the hospital. As was written on the quotation, it was said that under max 3 or 7 days, all my treatment will finish. And when we arrived the first day, they made once, because it was my idea and what I pushed me to be to want my case treated in India. It was not that the surgery can be done without knowing the cause, the origin of that growing from itself. And they made firstly what is called here, it was nuclear medicine. It was to be treated only firstly by X-rays from my neck before to make a surgery. This was done the first day I arrived, and the second day I was put in the room of surgery, and the treatment was successfully fulfilled. I returned in my room of treatment after surgery. I can say it was intensive ones. It was just to treat somewhere from the surgery. The third day, I was very good with my health. I was very visited by the Merchant staff, because I was alone in India, in the hospital. They treat me, they make all with the happiness, and now I'm very happy to be to have been in the hospital, to have been treated by all the staff, and what can I say about all this? It's just to tell all merchants team, all, without anyone. I'm very happy. I wish them the all best, because all was making me afraid. It was firstly the cancer, and so that I get my how can I explain, just to be as I used to be in my natural affairs, and so I can say to my others who can be thinking about this hospital, I can say it was wonderful, and it was even a surprise for me to be that a difficult disease than that, treated in 3 days, and now I'm very happy.